So everybody, they will start stretching with me. So let's start. And today we starting from stretching our legs. So we take slowly open our legs and up. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good work. Let's take this position. Slowly take leg and up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Let's change leg. So slowly take our leg and slowly push it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. So let's start stretching with me. We will take the blocks and take it and let's take this position and starting with legs. So I will slowly push it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one 5. We will stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And now I will change position. I will take this and we take our leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay. So I will catch it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly take this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly take this with split and start it working. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take this position and slowly take it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And slowly take it more on ourselves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly take seat. Take breathe and slowly breathe out and go slowly down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you guys would follow me. So bye bye.